uyazi ukuthi kunento eyenzeka kuwena bese ucabanga ukuthi yenzeka kuwena wedwa, uze nje ungaxoxi nangayo ngoba wazi ukuthi ngeke beze beyi-understand ngoba yenzeka kuwena wedwa, and awuyazi ukuthi yenziwa yini futhi awukazi uzuyinaki. Kanti nalabo abanye yenzeka kubona, nabo abaxoxe ngayo ngoba bazi ukuthi yenzeka kubona bodwa, akekho umuntu ozoyi-understand, yabo. Namhlanje ngifuna ukuzokhuluma ngento ekuthiwa i-muse, ngikhuluma ngento ekuthiwa i-melancholy, ngikhuluma ngento ekuthiwa moodiness, yabo. Ake ngiqale la kwi-muse, yabo. I-muse ke it's a source of inspiration. I-muse iyafika ibuye ihambe. Ngenza kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Uthola ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi there is no juice that you can express. Sometimes mhlawumbe umbhali noma umdwebi noma umculi noma uproducer noma we-motivational speaker noma whatever creativity wena onayo, uthola ukuthi ubuye ihambele nje kwesinye isikhathi ungabi nayo, ungabi bikho. Uthi uyazama ukuyiforce ubone lento eyenzayo ayikho, yabo, ayikho nje. Mhlawumbe umdesign ubone ukuthi lento engidesigner ayikho, yabo. That's creativity is gone for that particular time. Abanye baya bezame bechibiyele angabe nje umuntu uthi okay no, the muse is gone, done, yabo. That's one thing that I have to share with you ukuthi the muse sometimes comes and go, yabo. Ngisakhuluma nje nge-muse because i-muse it is taken from the Greek mythology. That is the Greek mythology. That was the source of inspiration, yabo. It's the source of inspiration. So it just goes like this, yabo. Just goes up down up down up down. It comes and goes. So don't force it if it's not there. More especially mhlambe you are a content creator here, you know that you create content sometimes. So it's like ayikho into lokhunja ngayo ungakhuluma ngayo. There is like you are forcing things, or it's like there is no creativity. Ba creative abantu la, yabo. But i-creativity iyabuye ihambe bese umuntu ayiforce ke creativity. Kodwa kwesinye isikhathi uyizwa ukuthi there is a flux of creativity that is there. It's like I can write, it's like I can, like creativity comes and goes, yabo. It is not there constantly. That's what you should take into consideration, or that's what you have to note. If it's not there, it's not there. Don't force it. Okay, that is the first thing. The muse. Okay, that is why we contact your music. Yes. So you can't tell me what every time when you have an inspiration abundant nje when you create music. Sometimes if you are a writer of music or a producer, yenza ukuthi nje ushaye beat uphume ngala, ushaye beat uzwe lento le the whole of the hour yikho into yenzile. Ayifiki lento le. Okay, 2, sikhulume ngalento ekuthiwa i-melancholy, yabo. Melancholy phela kwesinye isikhathi kumele ngibuye ngibhale la, angithi my students lento ngikhuluma ngayo i-muse kanje, muse, yabo. Muse it's a source of inspiration. Bese ngikhuluma ngento ekuthiwa yini, it's a melancholy. Yini i-melancholy? It is that sadness, yabo, oba nayo. It is that sadness uze ngathi impilo yakho imile, that stumbling block nje esiba khona empilweni yakho. Uze nje ukuthi is like iplaza lika jam, izinto zimile zijamile, I'm not moving. Kuthuli nje, yabo. They call it a melancholy ke this one, yabo. They call it hayi ukuthi sukikhona into ongayikhomba ngempela ngaphandle. So sekuyizaba nje ukuthi ukhombe lokhu nalokhu nalokhu ukuthi this is because of this. My life is like this is no, so ukuthi izaba nje because sometimes futhi iyahamba lento le ibuye futhi iphelele yona. So melancholy is that sadness that you have in your life. Is like we are hitting a stumbling block or a brick wall and nothing is moving. You sometimes want to be alone, and all of those things, and don't go out there. But if you have the food and you feel like things are moving, you want to go out to people and share and mutate and all of those things. But melancholy, it's a biochemical, it's a biochemical that is being released. More especially if you have what we call the mangikhuluma nge-chart ke la mina ngizofaka indaba ye-chart ke manje la phakathi yabo uma unalento ekuthiwa ama individual channels kwi-charts lakho yabo uma unama individual channels kwi-charts lithiwa ama individuals vele uma unama individual channels most of the time uyathanda ukuhlala wedwa nje uyathanda ukuba wedwa, you don't fit isikhathi esiningi to the collective and to the shared beliefs. You don't fit there, you like to be alone. But when you go out there, you want to go out there and mutate and empower. That's what you want to do, to change their minds, to change their way of thinking. That's why you go out there, because individual channels are for empowerment. Empower you're still going to transform the old things, the old way of viewing things kubantu ukuthi be incorporate okusha. That is why people don't like, most of the time they sideline these people with these channels abangama individual. So the individual channels it comes with what we call a melancholy, ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi uzobantu ku stagnant, kwesinye isikhathi kuba ngathi impilo yakho iya move, you are going out there, you are mutating, you are sharing, you are empowering. Ngitho yizo lonto melancholy ke leyo, ungasho ukuthi ke ngampela this is real. It comes and goes, ne? It comes and goes, because you will never know ukuthi isikhathi se mutation sizoba khona nini. Kuba nje ukuthi lento ihamba nje it yabo ihamba kanje. Na into kumele understand ngemelancholy, it's like stop, nothing, it's flat, and then boom, okay, wow, flat, boom, wow, yabo izawahamba nje kanjalo nje. So ungafuni ukuthi ukuthi nje ziyakhipha, ngeke kuze kwenzeke kanjalo. Siza kule nto ke engithe yini I moodiness, kuba mood, yabo moodiness. Kukhona ke mhlawumbe umuntu onaye ekhaya, mhlawumbe uzalwa naye, mhlawumbe kanjani isihlobo sakho, whatever, ingane yakho. Lento yokuba moody ke iyaqhamuka kakhulu, more especially uma ngabe uno gate bani, gate 55, ube moody nje, awufuni ukukhuluma nabantu, awufuni umuntu, ufuna uba you are not in the mood, yabo, you are not in the mood. Respect that. Ngoba umuntu gate 55 vele chances are you like music vele, yabo, because this is a gate of spirit. Lento kuba moody ke ukuthi we communicate. Oh, by the way, ma kuyisikhathi semelancholy, isikhathi transformation, kumele ukuthi put things down, buku ukuthi kumele wenze, kumele intshe kuphi, kumele uqale, and all of those things, yabo. Don't just sit there and cry and like ube udabukise nje. Nala futhi the gate of spirit, uma ungekho kwi-mood, don't force uba kwi-mood. People have to respect ukuthi you are not in the mood, yabo, and you have to communicate that with your surroundings. No, it's one of those times where I'm down, I'm not in the mood, yabo, I'm not in the mood of doing this, I'm not in the mood of talking, I'm not in the mood of doing this. And some people they may overeat, they may overeat, yabo. Those are the things nje lezi bafethu is emotional, lezi into engikhuluma ngazo. Ziqhamuka la kwi-solar plexus, the emotional solar plexus, yabo. This is the center of emotions. Ungathola ukuthi futhi la mawunalokhu wena you have to, you like freedom and you have to grow from inner turmoil and emotion. But uthola ukuthi umuntu wakhona kunokuthi agrow, wenza njani yena, uyacomplain noma wenza njani uyablame. Those are the things that are coming from in solar plexus. Ibambelana ke omande.